Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with some happy mail that I've received this week from two crafty friends here on YouTube. I'm so happy to have received these. And so the first one is from Kathy O'Sullivan. She doesn't do videos, but she's a local gal to Arizona here. And in fact, I was up in your neck of the woods this weekend playing in some snow. Hi, Kathy. And so, oh look, it came like this, but that's okay. But can you see the sneak peek? Do you see? I know what it is. Well, I know it's Disney stuff. Let's get into it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't even know. Oh my gosh, look at all of this fun. Oh, Kathy. Thank you. Oh, let's see. How cute is this emoji? Oh, it's a squishy sticker. Okay, I want to feel a squishy. I'm not going to stick him anywhere, but let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, he is like one of those squishy things. Hi, Mickey. So that, and look at how cute, this beaded Minnie Mouse. Wow, is this like, yeah, it is a sticker. This is pretty. Look at all the bling. And then she's included a bunch of ephemera and cut-aparts from a, I forget what kit this is, but I do have it. It might be Photo Play, maybe. Yes, I need to, like I am in desperate need to get back into scrapbooking because I need to scrapbook some of the photos that I have piling up around my craft room. So this is a beautiful paper set. Thank you, Kathy. And look at this mermaid one. If life starts getting you down, just remember to come up for air. Oh, this is a pretty image. And look at these samples of paper. Beautiful. I don't know what paper line this is, but I love these papers. Oh my gosh. And look, it's Olaf. And this is a Disney paper line. Not the, Oh, thank you so much, Kathy. I am definitely going to be using these here in the future. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Thank you. And then this next one here is from Lisa Douglas. Thank you, Lisa. I'm not sure what this is, but it is stamped Happy Mail. So let's see. Uh-oh, what is this? Oh my gosh! What? Lisa! Hi, Lisa! Look! Oh my gosh, look at, and it's Disney! Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful! Elsa and Anna, oh my gosh! Like, thank you so much, Lisa! Thank you! Look, another Elsa and Anna. Oh, yes. Yes. Beautiful. And then a purple to match Elsa and Anna. And then Olaf. Oh, yes, icebreaker. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you. I appreciate this so much. They are so beautiful. Yes. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And until my next video, shakas.